Leon Foucault lived in the 1800s in France. Like some other scientists, he claimed the Earth was rotating. Foucault used an investigation with a pendulum to support his claim. A pendulum is a weight that swings back and forth. A pendulum can be attached to its holder in a way that lets it continue swinging in the same direction it started, even if the holder rotates. Foucault predicted that if a large pendulum continued swinging for a long enough time, he could show that Earth was rotating under the pendulum. Foucault hung a long pendulum from the ceiling of a large building to do his investigation. After starting the pendulum swinging, Foucault and other scientists carefully observed and measured the path of the pendulum. They saw the path change a little bit at a time, and after many hours, it had come all the way back around to where it started. The building in France where Foucault demonstrated his pendulum now has a replica for people to see. And many museums and universities around the world have also installed pendulums that repeat Foucault's investigation. Some have little pegs around the pendulum's path that get knocked over every few minutes, so it's easier to notice the rotation happening under the pendulum. Time-lapse video can also show how the pendulum appears to move around, but really, the Earth is rotating under the pendulum. All of these pendulums, like Foucault's first investigations, provide evidence that Earth is rotating.